Have you ever felt like your desktop computer is working against you? You click an app and wait. You start editing a video and suddenly your room sounds like an airport runway. For years, we've been told that serious performance requires a giant desktop tower packed with fans, cables, and enough power consumption to heat a small apartment. But what if that's about to change? The latest leaks surrounding Apple's upcoming Mac Mini M5 suggest that Apple is preparing something much bigger than a simple yearly upgrade. In fact, this tiny desktop could completely redefine what we expect from a compact computer. At the center of it all is the new M5 chip. According to reports, Apple is pushing performance and efficiency further than ever before with a more tightly integrated architecture. That means faster app launches, smoother multitasking, and significantly improved responsiveness across the entire system. But the real story is AI. Instead of relying heavily on cloud-based processing, Apple is reportedly focusing on more powerful on-device intelligence. Tasks like video enhancement, audio cleanup, image processing, and smart workflows could happen directly on your Mac, delivering faster results while keeping your data private. And here's the upgrade many users have been waiting for. Multiple leaks suggest that the base Mac Mini M5 could finally start with 16 gigabytes of unified memory and 512 gigabytes of storage. If true, that would eliminate one of the biggest complaints people have had about entry-level Macs for years. Imagine running dozens of browser tabs, editing 4K video, managing multiple creative apps, and still having plenty of performance left over. For creators, students, developers, and professionals, that's a huge deal. Now let's talk about the M5 Pro model. Industry rumors point to a significantly more powerful version designed for demanding workloads like video production, 3D rendering, software development, and advanced creative work. Enhanced graphics performance and hardware-accelerated ray tracing could make this tiny desktop a serious workstation competitor. What's even more impressive is that Apple may keep the exact same compact design. That means all this performance could fit into the same incredibly small footprint we've come to expect from the Mac Mini. Less noise, less heat, less desk space, more power. And that raises a very interesting question. If the Mac Mini M5 becomes this powerful, where does that leave the Mac Studio? For many users, the Mac Mini might become the perfect balance of performance, efficiency, and affordability. It could be the desktop that finally convinces laptop users to make the switch. Of course, these are still leaks and rumors, but if even half of these reports are accurate, the Mac Mini M5 could become one of Apple's most important products in years. What do you think? Would 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage finally convince you to buy a Mac Mini? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Apple leaks, reviews, and tech updates.